How much space actually fits inside a pyramid? The answer is beautifully simple. 1/3 of the base area times the height. But that 1/3 feels like it appears from nowhere. Today, we'll see exactly where it hides. Let's start with a pyramid in the most general sense. Some flat base with area B, rising to a single point at height h. Now compare it to a box, a prism, sitting on that very same base, with that very same height. The box has volume base times height. And the pyramid, remarkably, is exactly 1/3 of it. Let's prove that. Here's the key insight. Take a cube, and watch what happens when we carve it up. We pick one corner, and draw 3 pyramids. Each one has a full face of the cube as its base. And reaches back to that shared corner.